Okay guys, so in today's video, we're gonna do a teardown on this bike. We're gonna take the motor off. So wish me luck. Let's get right into it. And let's do it because we got some bolts on the exhaust head to tap out. We gotta tap out a new hole in that. So I figured the easiest way to do that would be to take the motor off. So we're gonna go ahead and take the motor off. So let's get right into it. Make sure to leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe as always. Thank you much, and here we go. There we go, folks. There's our 4-stroke motor. Taking the motor off.
Why?
Because I need to tap out one of the other side now, because it stripped out the aluminum head. I wasn't even cranking on it hard.
Where do you get your nice shorts on? Why don't you put some bad ones on?
Oh. There she is.
You gotta be careful because the aluminum will break, you know.
Bless you. The best thing you can do is just put a tiny muffler right onto it.
Yeah, I'll just probably reinstall the old muffler.
It's too big. Unless this was mounted directly to the motor solid, that pipe can't move.
Yeah.
Only way you can